Hello and welcome to another video in our multiplayer course. In this video, we will make the ability to select multiple maps. So first, to start with, let's first make the maps. For me, this is the first map, the main map. First, let me just increase the distance between these player stars because they spawn very close to each other. Also here. Now here. I'll just move them away from each other because like we saw before, when the tanks, especially the Abrams, when it spawns, they spawn and collide with each other. Now this is the main map. Now let's duplicate this map. First let's go into another map, then we duplicate this map. Main map 1. I will leave its name as main map 1. Let's open it. Now after we open it, now let's make some changes to the map to make it stand out from the other maps that we will make. So I will make like I will use the sculpt mode, landscape. I will use the sculpt brush to make some like hills, small mountains. Let's take one here, another one here, and let me make one of the teams spawn inside. Okay, these are the free for all. Let's make like a hill that surrounds the team spawn, and small bump here. It's stupid. Let me smooth it. Sorry, let's go back. Control and Z. Okay, now let's also make a little some elevations here and there. Now this is, let me just smooth this hill. Let's smooth it. Okay. Yeah, also this one. This one. Now let's save this map. So I will duplicate the main map again to make another map. And now I will open it, and I will make a valley in the middle of the map. Here, this map. Let's go to the landscape and sculpt mode, and let's find maybe erosions. Maybe like this. It's like some old river here. No, I think this is enough. just to make the maps stand out from each other, so that we will recognize if we are on the map 1 or 2 or 3. Now after we made the maps, let's go back to the main menu map, and let's go to the host session blueprint WBP on the GUI. Here let's add another combo box for the map type or map name. So this combo box, the match type selector, I will duplicate it and I will name it map selector. And this map selector, let me make it slightly above here. I'll make it the same X position, 100, and for the Y position I will not change it. Okay, minus 60 is better. Also I'll need another text, this match type text. I will duplicate it and bring it here. Also minus 60 for the Y, and for the X minus 335. Now let's change the its name also to map, and here change the text to select map or just map. And don't forget to change the anchor to the middle, to the center of the screen. Also here for the map selector, anchor to the center of the screen. Now let's go to the map selector, and here change this in the index 1 and 2. There will be 3 index 1. Let's copy the name of the maps. One for the main map, the other for main map 1, and the third one for main map 2. And for the option, the default will be this main map. Now let's go first let's select the main map here, the map selector, and go down here and on selection changed. Here on selection change, we'll do the same as the above, as the match selection, match type, switch, when they switch, and here also the same. Here on key press or mouse click, here we will save the map name here, commit it to a variable and call it map name, and let's save it on key press and on mouse click. Let me just change the position and make them organized. After we go to the map name, now we want to save this map name in the game instance, because like we said before, the game instance. So let's make an interface to transfer the map name to the game instance. Let's go to the blueprints, interfaces, and here let's make a new interface, or this get match type. Let's add, or let's make a new interface better. Let's duplicate this one and call it maps or map names. Open it here, delete this. Let's make a new function, call it get map name. we need an input now, which will be a string. Let's call it map name. And let's go to the game instance. This one, the game instance here, and let's go to the class settings, and here let's find map names, API map names. Here, get map name, and let's promote it to a variable and save it here in the game instance. Now let's go back to the host session UI, and here get game instance, this one under game, and get map name, this one with the message, and here save it here in the game instance. Now let's go to the map names. Also need to add another function in this interface, which is let's call it, let's change the name of this one to set map name, because here we set the map name in the game instance, and the other one will get the map name from the game instance to the game mode. Map name, and here with an output, let's call it map name. Map name here in the here, let's delete this one because we changed its name. Let's get here the set map name. Here the set map name, let me explain because I changed the name. Here in the UI we select a map name, then we save the name here in the game instance and send it to it through this interface. Then in the game instance here we save the map name. Let's comment on this. Save selected map name, and here this one set match type. And here also let's comment on this. This one is just visual for spawn selected town. It's just the visual for the spawning the game or the tank when you want to choose the tank. Now let's go to the game mode. First let's save this and let's go back to the game mode. This one is the game mode. Let's close these. Here in the event graph, here after here on post login, when we have more than one player and we are in the lobby, then here we start the timer, and when the timer ends we travel to the map. So this map name we need to get it from the game instance. Now let's here get game instance, and here get map name. Here the map name, and put it here. Now delete this map name because we do not need this variable anymore. Also delete this one. Now let's test, and also let's comment here to know what we are doing when we come back and see this code. Server travel to the selected map, and here let me delete this print string, we don't need it anymore. Here this timer, here the lobby timer. And here let's comment on this. Check number of players to travel to main map if players are more than one. And here on begin play, let's comment also on this. This one here is the main map timer. Main maps timer. And here also set match type and team tag if match type is team deathmatch. Sorry, match type is team or TDM is easier. Now I think now we are ready to check and test. Let's play. Now let's here host a game. Now the main map. I will start with the map 1 with the health and leave this as the 3. Now let me join with the other 2. Let's wait for them to find a game, then let's join both. Now after we join, we'll go to the new map, and I hope we do not have any errors. Now we'll travel. Well, nothing is happening, and let's see why. Let's check this here map name. Let's check if it is getting an input. Let's see, host a game, main map 2, create. Let's find and join. Let's see why. Maybe we are not getting the name. Yeah, let's wait. When it is 0, we should get a name. Well, nothing is there. Let's see why. Well, I think is because this one is not replicated. Just let me check here if we are getting the name. Maybe the problem is here. Let's create and main map 2 1. Well, everything is fine. So the next thing to do is here in the game instance, let's check here get map name. I think we forgot to put it here. Well, sometimes silly mistakes stops your project in its tracks. Now let's change the map name, create a session, and here find and find. Now everything should work perfect. Let's see, join and join here. Let's wait 2 1 0. Well, we have the map 2. We are going to the map 2 now. Yes, we are here in the map 2 that has the ups and downs. Let me move. Now I'll shoot this tank. Well, it is burning now. Okay, now let's try to choose the map map 1 3. Find here. Join and join. Let's see. Now we should go to the other map that is with the hills. Well, we are going to the correct map. Okay, I'll stop here and I will continue on the next video. On the next video, what we'll do is we'll do the end screen, that when the time of the main map is comes to 0, we stop the playing, we disable the controls of the players, we show the widget that shows the score of the players and shows which one is the winner. If it is free for all, it will give us the name of the winner player, and if it is team deathmatch, it will give us the winning team. So also after that we will travel to the lobby, then through on the lobby we will also only the server will have the UI to choose the next map. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.